Dismantling this spy network across India, and another accused has now been arrested. This is the second arrest in 2 days, which has created panic in this particular region. A case has now been registered at Taudu police station against 3 individuals, including 2 employees of Pakistani High Commission. The Haryana police and central agencies have taken a major action against the Pakistani spy network in Nuh district by arresting Tarif. Tarif is a key suspect in the ongoing spy operation from the village of Kangara in Taudu subdivision of Haryana's Nuh district. And this arrest, viewers, comes just 48 hours after the apprehension of Arman, who was also arrested in Rajaka of Nuh district. Let's go across to Lalit and find out more about this particular arrest. Lalit, another individual has been arrested in just 48 hours. Tell us about who Tarif is and what was his role.
Deepak, if you talk about in Nuh, in just 48 hours, it's the second arrest which has been done for spying about the country's details, sending the confidential and the sensitive information from a country to the enemy country. If we talk about the name of the person who has been arrested, his name is said to be Tarif, who is from the Taudu village in Nuh district. So this is the second arrest in the past 48 hours. Apart from that, 2 more persons have also been arrested who was in the Pakistan High Commission. So a total of 3 persons have been arrested for spying and sending these sensitive details of the country. So after Arman Malik, it's the Tarif, who is said to be the son of Hanif, who has been arrested. Right now, the central agencies and the police is thoroughly investigating the matter. What we are also learning that he has sent certain information regarding the Indian Air Force to the Pakistan ISI officials. So right now,